Well, thank you for visiting the Health Perks benefit site for Moose International members. We have a very exciting benefit package to share with you that can save you and your family a lot of money. I'm going to take about 5 or 6 minutes and explain it all. So let's start with the issues of the day. And one of the most challenging issues of the day is affordable health care. As we all know, insurance benefits cost more and they offer less. There's a shortage of primary care physicians, and consumers are looking for innovative solutions. In addition to that, consumers are also seeking strategies to save money on everyday services without sacrificing quality. Well, we have a solution. Health Perks addresses these challenges with a high-value health and lifestyle program designed to save you and your family thousands of dollars a year in out-of-pocket expenses. And this plan is not insurance. What we offer is a package that includes telehealth, pharmacy savings, legal care, and roadside assistance. Let me tell you what these are all about. First of all, what's happening today, as we all know, is some people totally ignore their symptoms, delay treatment, and it could lead to a lot more serious medical complications. Then you've got individuals who work and end up leaving work for minor issues, colds, allergies, sinus infections, which results in loss of pay and unnecessary costs. And some individuals simply sit in waiting rooms with other sick people for minor medical conditions. Well, welcome to the new access point for healthcare, and it's called telehealth. Some people call it telemedicine. It's doctors by phone or secure email. And they will be the new navigators and the patient advocates. They'll be the ones who can either solve the problem or tell you where to go. Telehealth provides immediate access to health care to every individual wherever they are, whenever they need it. All you have to do is pick up your phone. Simple as that. So we partner with a company called Teladoc. And they provide a network of licensed, board-certified physicians, just like your family physician, available 24/7 by phone or secure email. And they can diagnose and treat non-emergency routine medical conditions right over the phone. They can prescribe medications as well when appropriate. Now, we're not talking about not visiting your doctor. You need your doctor, but this is for when you can't get to the doctor or you have just a routine non-emergent condition, or it's after hours, nights, weekends, you're out in the field, you're on vacation, you need a prescription refill. There's a lot of times it would be real handy to be able to get your doctor on the phone. Patients' calls this past year, over 94% of the time were successfully diagnosed and treated. Only 6% of the calls that came in were told they had to be sent out, and they were told who to go to and where to go. 98% satisfaction rating. 64% of our callers would have gone to a physician and 15% would have gone to an ER had they not spoken to the teledoctor. So, think about the amount of time and money that saves. Our physicians are all experienced in primary care, internal medicine, or emergency room practices. They're fully credentialed. And the kinds of conditions they treat or what your typical doctor sees every day: colds, flus, sore throat, bronchitis, allergies, infections, headaches, stomach aches, things like that, insect bites, prescription refills, even second opinions. Their service is very well defined. It's very conservative. It's all evidence-based. If they cannot treat you on the phone, they're more than happy to tell you who to go to. Okay? And they keep electronic health records. So they know your health history, they keep track of it, and every time you call, they pull up your health records right in front of them so that they can see what your history is. As far as prescriptions, obviously no controlled substances. They're not prescribing lifestyle drugs. This is for acute medical conditions, Z-Paks and antibiotics and antihistamines and things like that, as you can see on this list. Okay, so telemedicine is the biggest game changer. But pharmacy card's great too. Now, some of you may have a pharmacy card, but the trend in healthcare shows fewer drugs are being covered by insurance. more people are paying a higher deductible before their insurance kicks in. And many prescriptions aren't covered at all by any insurance. So if you look at things like cosmetic drugs and appetite suppressants, smoking cessation, prenatal vitamins, nutritional supplies, injectables, contraceptives, immunizations, vaccines, they're not covered by insurance. Even pet medications. Our card covers them all. So if you do have insurance, use our card to cover the drugs that aren't covered by insurance. And our card is good at every single major chain, most independent pharmacies, about 90% of the pharmacies in the United States. You'll find an 11 to 75% savings on both brand and generic drugs. And you can even get online, look up your pharmacy, look up the drug price right online. Another benefit in this package is roadside assistance. It's a great program. You all know the value of a company like AAA. This company is in every state. You can call 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. They will tow you up to 15 miles for no fee whatsoever, cover the member, the spouse, dependent children. They'll come out, tow, they'll fix flats, they'll bring fuel, oil, fluids, water. You know, if you're locked out of your car, battery dies, you have an accident, they help you on everything. And then the final benefit in this package is called a legal service, which is a prepaid legal service. They offer 9 free services. You have unlimited phone consultations for new legal matters. I mean, just imagine you have some legal questions. You know what it would cost to call your local attorney. You know, it's hundreds of dollars. Here you can get consultations for new legal matters for free. They'll review short documents, 6 pages or less. They'll write a letter or make a phone call on your behalf. They'll assist with government programs, small claims court. They'll even provide a free simple will and living will with annual updates. And they provide deep discounts on other commonly used legal services like traffic tickets and divorces, and trusts, and things like that. But if you do need more extensive legal work, you get significant discounts off of their usual and customary rate. So that's the package. When you get this package, you'll get a fulfillment kit. You'll get a membership kit with membership cards. You'll have access to a web portal that can explain all the benefits and provider locators. And we have a member service call center that staffs 6 days a week with English and Spanish-speaking representatives who can help you with any issue whatsoever. And the beautiful part about this whole benefit package for Moose International is every benefit here covers your entire family. So just to summarize, you get the telehealth, the pharmacy savings card, the emergency roadside assistance, and the prepaid legal services, which is over an $82 a month value. The cost for Moose members, $17.95 a month. So to sign up, all you have to do is go to www.mooseperx.com, and you can see the spelling, Moose Perx, Perx.com. Get all the information. You can sign up right online, and you're taken care of. So we hope you all value this benefit. We put it together just for you, and hope it saves you a lot of money. Thank you so much for listening in.